Welcome to the Crabtree. This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan is in Abberly Grove apartment homes by HHHunt in beautiful Raleigh, North Carolina. This well-designed, spacious home offers an open concept floor plan that is flooded with natural light. The living room gives you ample room to entertain, and this home offers an optional sunroom. The kitchen offers you ample cabinet and counter space as well as a breakfast bar. Adjacent to your kitchen is the dining area, making dinner parties a breeze. Before we check out the bedrooms, I want to let you know that this pet-friendly home offers a full-size washer and dryer, coat closet, and comes equipped with state-of-the-art smart home technology. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. The massive bedroom offers a walk-in closet and an ensuite option. Across the home we have your second bedroom, also with a walk-in closet and full bath. The Crabtree is a perfect home in a perfect community, and we cannot wait to help you make it or one of our other floor plans your home. Visit us today at AbberlyGrove.com to set up a private tour. Abberly Grove Apartments by HHHunt is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. To view a full list of our communities in multiple states, please visit HHHuntapartmentliving.com.